Ko te amorangi ki mua, ko Ihaka Cotter ki muri, e hāpai ana I te kaupapa.
It's been many years, but at a national level, we just celebrated our 21st birthday.
E hara I te mahi māma te whakahaere I ngā whakataetae ā-rohe puta noa I te whenua whānui nei. Ka mutu, he nui tonu ngā wero, kua hei pū mai I ngā tau.
There's been a lot of challenges, but what do we do for our culture? We have over those 21 years, we have groups travelling from WA, from Victoria, from the ACT, from New South Wales and from Queensland to wherever. And we've been to all of those states.
I roto I ngā tauroa e uana Ihaka ki tēnei kaupapa, kua kite ia I te pikinga o te tokomaha o ngā kaihaka, kua kake hoki te taumata o te kaunga.
In terms of kapa haka and growth in Australia, it's been massive. It's been massive. To have an event like this brings people in that have a heart for kapa haka. They grew up with it at home. They come over here and they come here and see this. Wow, this is just like home. And then you have the ones that have come here and built a new life and they haven't had anything at all. So they bring their tamariki and themselves to see what this is all about, and it lights that fire in them and it encourages them to ask on Facebook and social media, is there any in this area, any in that area, so they can bring themselves and their tamariki to come.
E kōrero ana mō ngā tamariki, kei te tautoko hoki ngā tamariki a Ihaka me ana mokopuna I te kaupapa nei, e hāpai ana I tō rātou pāpā.
Ever since I can remember, we've been labourers for the kaupapa, but I love it, enjoy it. We were born over here, but we're from back home, but to have our connection here is mean.
Busy helping the old man and the old lady. But yeah, just try and help out where we can.
For me, it's about giving back to here. This is the place where I learnt haka through Uncle Muriwai and Te Wairoa, and just so happens that Dad's here, Papa's here, so yeah, we'll come and help. But it's more because this is where I started. This is my foundation. So yeah, why not come and help?
Ahakoa he tau whakamaumahara nui tēnei mō te whakataetae nei, ko tahi tonu te wawata a Ihaka, kia tipu tonu, kia toi tū, ka mutu, kia whanake, te kaupapa nei.
Toko nei wawata, that we continue to grow, we continue to inspire, we continue to uplift non-Māori, because if it does it to non-Māori or multicultural Australia, which is what we're getting, we know it's already got the heart of our people.
Mātai Smith, Tai Oro.